Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the ID Watchdog identity protection app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. ID Watchdog is an identity theft protection app designed to monitor your personal information, alert you to suspicious activity, and help you recover if your identity is compromised. It tracks key data points such as your social security number, credit reports, bank account activity, public records, and even the dark web. The service is available on both iOS and Android and is backed by TransUnion, one of the major credit bureaus. The app's main features include real-time monitoring alerts, credit report access, credit score tracking, and fraud resolution services. ID Watchdog also offers identity theft insurance and 24/7 US-based support to assist users in restoring their identities if fraudulent activity occurs. Some plans include credit freeze and lock tools, which help users control access to their credit files. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate its comprehensive monitoring, timely alerts, and responsive customer support. The ability to lock or freeze credit files directly through the app is a major convenience. The dark web monitoring and detailed activity reports also help users feel more secure. However, there are some drawbacks. Full access to advanced features requires a higher-tier subscription, which some users find expensive. In some cases, users report occasional delays in receiving alerts or difficulty navigating certain parts of the interface. Also, like most monitoring services, the app cannot prevent all identity theft. It mainly alerts and assists after suspicious activity occurs. In summary, the ID Watchdog app may be worth using if you want strong threat monitoring, credit tools, and professional recovery support in case of identity theft. However, if you prefer free credit monitoring options or do not want to pay for premium protection, it might not be essential for you. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.